Hopefully get a thumbnail. Okay, I'm on Sukhumvit Rd and it's raining, so I'm in Nana. I seen Soi 6, it was flooded, just the one from Sukhumvit Rd, so I'll have to go up around by Soi 4. Yeah, it started raining probably after 2 o'clock and it's just after 4 now. So had a really good thunderstorm at the start, and when I was getting the SkyTrain here walking there, friggin' wind nearly broke my new 100 baht, you know, umbrella. McDonald's is still open. Okay, the one at Nana's open until 7 PM. Looks like a, I don't know, misread that. Looks like it opens at midday, which doesn't seem right. So let's see if I get some drops on the lens as usual, and I won't even know about it. And it's going to get dark in here. Move over, it has all the homeless people. Yeah, just one walk along. Yeah, good. Don't want to walk through their living room. That'd be wrong, wouldn't it? Just passing Soi 3-1. So hopefully I go up Soi 4 and end up get to Soi 8 unless it's flooded. That's always good to get a rain video. We get a thumbnail. Okay, it seems alright. Yeah, so this week had a few business leaders were on talking, you know, like a roadmap to opening. They're saying, you know, for tourists, if you want tourists to come, because they're talking of letting people into Bangkok, maybe the middle of next month. But they said all of this has got to be open, you know, before tourists are even going to book a ticket. Like, you're not going to book a ticket, come here, and Khao San Rd, here in Soi 4, and all the other places are still closed. That'd be a load of fun. Really, if you go out walking around Bangkok during the day, just like a concrete jungle. They haven't thought about it. It's just grey, especially this time of the year. The sky's grey, the buildings are grey. You know, it's a shocker. Whereas anyone that's been to the Philippines and Manila, when I hit the business district like Bangkok, man, I was impressed. You know, you can take some photos of the buildings. It's impressive. Even Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh and Hanoi, they've all got plenty of history going for them. So this will give you an idea. It's Soi 4. You think the tourists want to come? Nothing's open. I say nothing's open, some things are open. Go have a bite to eat. It's a bit far to come for that. Okay, I'm going to turn it off till I get near Soi 6. Hello, noodle soup, huh? Whoop. Can't walk through there with the umbrella. Pretty good, don't want to get wet feet. Here we go. I was going to wear sandals. Yeah, someone said they wanted me to walk down that little alley that joins, so give them a look. That's this bar, it's new, but never been open, obviously. Okay, here we go. We're going to walk through the Soi 8. Yeah, this rain is steady. It's not very strong, but if you didn't have an umbrella, you'd be screwed. You're soaked. Got a hairdresser, got a customer. I've got a place here called Lolita's. It's pretty dark in here. Okay, we're going to get some light now. So most of these places will be open for food. Here's Viva. It's doing good business. If you want cheap food, here's the street food. 60 baht, 50 baht, easy. Okay, taxi drivers getting excited. Hey, that's the end of that.